Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel with Meistergram. I'm Hector and I'm going to show you today how to remove the needle case on a Gem 1500 XL. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a set of metric hex wrenches. And we'll start by removing the take-up lever cover. We've removed our two Phillips screws. We'll go ahead and remove our take-up lever cover. So next, we're going to remove the back of our tension base. To do this, we'll go ahead and press on the top of the cover and pull it away from us. We're going to set this on the back of the machine, and we're now going to remove the 4 3mm hex screws holding the tension base. Now that we have our 4 screws removed, we're going to gently separate the tension base in order to locate and remove the thread brake sensor. Now that we've flipped this over, we can see this wire which powers the LED light. We're going to go ahead and remove this Phillips screw and unplug this wire so that we can completely separate the tension base. Careful not to drop the screws. We'll unplug this. Now I like to leave the tension base threaded. I've made a braid and I've locked down the excess thread so I don't have to re-thread the top of the machine. I'm going to simply flip this over and set it on the thread stand. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the 2 hex screws that hold the needle case onto the rail. Use our 3mm wrench. Break these loose first. I recommend when you start the process of removing the needle case to move the needle position to number 8. Again, we can see here that number 8 is over the needle plate. This just makes it easier to maneuver the needle case when we're removing it and installing it back on the machine. We're ready to remove the needle case. So we'll take the needle case, one hand on each side, and we're going to gently lift and we're going to pull from the top first until releasing the top of the needle case. Now on the XL models, we have the safety beam attached, so that wire is still going to be attached to the machine. And what we can do is we can carefully set the needle case just in front of the thread stand like so. We've completed the removal of our needle case, so follow us for our next video. We're going to go ahead and do some maintenance. We're going to replace a reciprocator and we'll have another video on how to reinstall the needle case. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and until next time.